Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Grimace Shake. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Grimace Shake, let's begin by drawing the top. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve right across like this. Next, I'm going to make two lines that come up. And then let's just make another line that's just going to curve across here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down for the top of the lid. And right inside of here, I'm going to bring these lines in just a little bit. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'll do the same thing over here. Just going to bring this line down. Then I'm just going to connect this with a curve. Kind of goes down and up. Right here, I'm going to make two lines that come down. And then another line that's just going to curve down and then back up. Now, up here, I'm going to put some detail for like the whipped cream on there. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up and then down like this. And then I'll make another line that's going to come up and then down. And then one more, it's just going to kind of go up to a point and then down. Starting here, I'm going to make two lines that come up for the straw. And then a little curve at the top. Now, starting here, I'm going to put a little grimace face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. We'll make a line that curves here, and then a line that curves right here. I'm going to put a circle inside each one for the pupil. And I'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white for a little reflection in the pupil. I'll make a little rectangle shape up here on each one for the eyebrows. Then for the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And down and up again. And then I'll make a line that's going to come down and up here. I'll make a little line across for the tongue. And a little smiley face shape right here for the chin. Then I like to go ahead and color in the eyebrows up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Grimace Shake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.